Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. How are you doing? I trust you all are doing great. Thanks for clicking to this video. If today is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you all how I made this delicious Banga vegetable soup. So if you want to see how I made it, please kindly keep watching. So into a clean pot, I went in with my goat meat and my cow intestine. I already washed and parboiled the cow intestine and rinsed it very well. Then I went in with some chopped onions and my pepper mix. In here I have habanero pepper, bell pepper and onion. So I blended everything together. Then I added it to my protein. So after adding it to my protein, I'm going to stir very well, just the way I'm doing in this video. Then I'm going to add in some seasoning cubes and some salt. Then I'm going to stir, then cover this to cook for some minutes. Okay. So after some minutes, I went in with some Lucost beans, then stir. I'm going to be adding the Banga extract at this point. Then after adding the Banga extract, I'm going to allow this to cook properly. Cook very well until the water's dried up a little. So now that the water has dried up a little, I'm going to add in some dry fish, that's banana fish. Then I went in with some fresh mackerel fish. Then I'm going to gently stir. So the next thing I added was some crayfish powder. Then after adding the crayfish powder, I'm just going to stir, then allow this to cook for extra 5 minutes. Guys, at this point, our delicious banga and vegetable soup is already coming together. So I'm just going to stir this, then I'll go in with the nicely washed water leaf. I added hot water into this water leaf, then I squeeze out the excess water out of the leaf because I don't want the soup to be too watery. Guys, look at that. And if you are watched to this extent, please don't forget to like this video, okay? And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much, and I really do appreciate. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back to watch my video. So the next leaf I added was Ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaf. Then after adding the Ugu leaf, I'm going to allow this to cook for extra 5 minutes. And voila, guys, this soup was so yummy. Then I'm just going to stir. And guys, this soup was out of this world. Banga vegetable soup that went to Harvard. Yeah, at this point our soup is ready. Guys, what will you be eating this with?
I ate mine with pounded yam, and it was so yummy, guys. This was so delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and drop me your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.